Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Say hi, monkey. Hi, Paul. Hi, monkey. Today these arrived. Geranium Nurseryman's Choice collection is tray of one. Get a look here, shall we? We have A. Grandeur Ivy Red, then B. Grandeur Classic Blush, C. Grandeur Classic Fire, D. Dark Lavender, and E. Ivy White. So I'm going to be taking these. Let's just open these. These arrived today. Just want to show you how they come. Nice little pots there. Really nice healthy plants. See any flower stalks like that, just nip them out. Any dead or damaged leaves. See the flower there, nip that out. Because you want it to concentrate all the energy onto thickening up and pushing out those plants. So give them a little water. Give them a little water just to dampen them just before we go about potting them on. Just leave them to soak for a little bit. What we're going to be using to put these on is, yes, what I'm going to be using is some 9cm pots. That's these here. And this is cocoa coir mixed in with a bit of peat-based compost. These have been, what these are growing in them, these are growing in some geums. So I'll be getting some quick name tags drawn up for these, because I want to get these mixed up on this size. We'll get that done first. Right, so that's the name tags done. See on the packet here, going from left to right as you look at it, A, B, C, D, E, F. So that will tell you each one and the names. So the first one is Ivory Red. Get the name tag for that one. So I'm only using these 9cm pots, which is giving plenty of room to grow these. And all you need to do then is, if you can get around here, folks, get your pot to the like so. Give it a good tap down, and under this, and then want it the same height it is in the growing in the plugs. Same height here. You don't want to make it any deeper and rot it. And once that's been done, what I'm going to do then is get a little water. These can go on a well lit warm windowsill. These don't want to be kept out of the frost. These are not frost tolerant. They are perennial, just not frost hardy. So that's Ivy Red. Just keep looking back there. That's that one done. And the good thing about this cocoa coir is it acts a little bit like peat. It absorbs a lot of moisture, but it also allows a lot of air and water to go through while retaining a lot of moisture. So that's that one done. Get another one here. Next one is Classic Blush. I'm going to just go on there. Yeah, if you want to go on Sutton's website, we've got these priced up. I can't remember how much they are now, but yeah, it's called Geranium Nurseryman's Choice Collection. And you get 5 plants in there. Next one is a blush, which is with the last one. Got it here. So all I want to do again is give that a tap down, and then make sure it's the right height in there. Chop it up all the way around. Make sure it's the same level as the plug comes, and give that one a water. Make sure you get any compost off the leaves. You don't want the leaves touching the compost either. Start to rot then. Yeah, give that a nice good water. And because I've got lights in here, my heater greenhouse, so we'll start feeding these. These should just come out brilliantly. Like there's a yellow one here. Just get your finger up near the stem. Just pull it back. Any yellowing leaves, just do it like that. Get the name tag there. It's Classic Blush. That's that one. Don't think you need to see me do all them, do you? So once all these are done, these will go underneath my lights. And I've got them on 18 hours on, 6 hours off. These will, that is making British summertime, the height of summer. So yeah, if you've got any questions about anything growing in my greenhouse, please don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like me and Monkey's videos, please subscribe. And as always, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.